Hi parents, we are in our back to school series looking at determination skills, and today we are focused on positive and negative thinking. Basically our self-talk and how it affects our friendships. How we interpret an interaction determines our response to the other person. So it's really important that we help our child look at their thoughts and their feelings in order to mitigate false narratives. So next time your child comes home from school talking about a conflict with a friend, help them use our worksheet, which we will have posted for free, called VAPorize. Now, VAPorize stands for validate your feelings, because your feelings are always true. That is what you experienced. 2, assess your thoughts. And 3, problem solve. Go ahead and help them write down the situation, like Johnny wouldn't play with me at recess. Then ask them how they felt. I felt sad, for example. Then ask them to write down what they were thinking in that situation. For example, I don't think Johnny likes me. Now help them assess that thought. What is true about it? Johnny likes other kids. And what is false about it? Johnny played with me in the morning, so probably he does like me. If your child can come up with a new thought, like, I really wanted Johnny to play with me, but he likes other friends, but he still likes me, then you can help him go into the problem-solving section of how can I communicate this, or what else can I do? Maybe I can join. Help them problem solve. This process will help your child hear their self-talk and help them assess those thoughts while still validating your child's feelings.